This video is for everyone working with social media traffic: Facebook, Twitter, X, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and other platforms. All you need is a smart link from Monetag, a special link designed to take visitors to the most relevant offers. There are many smart links from different platforms and CPA networks. Unlike many other platforms, Monetag has been on the market for many years and works with thousands of advertisers from all over the world, which means competitive CPM rates and good payouts for publishers, ads for users from any geo, fast payouts from just $5, and 24/7 support make it easy and reliable. If you don't have a registered account yet, you can easily create one using your email or by continuing with your Google account, whichever is more convenient for you. Make sure to use an active and accessible account. During the registration process, you will be asked to choose the type of account you want to create. You can select either an individual account or a company account, depending on your needs. Be sure to choose the option that best represents you or your business. Next, carefully fill in all the required information. This may include your name, contact details, and other relevant information. Take your time to ensure everything is accurate and up to date. It is very important to provide real and truthful information during registration. Using incorrect or fake details can lead to problems in the future, especially when it comes to verifying your identity or withdrawing your earnings. Accounts with inaccurate information may face delays, restrictions, or even suspension. Once you have completed the form, make sure to review all your details carefully. Then, accept the terms and conditions and confirm that you are not a robot by completing the verification step. After your registration is successfully completed, you will be redirected to your Monetag dashboard. This is your main control panel, where you can manage everything, from setting up ads and tracking performance to monitoring your earnings and account activity. In the Direct Link tab, you can access the Smart Link, also known as a direct link. This feature allows you to generate a monetized link that you can share and use across different platforms. To create one, simply click on Add Direct Link and follow the steps provided. You can also find helpful instructions and guidance within this section to better understand how to set up and optimize your direct link for the best results. In the Statistics section, you can view key performance data such as CPM, earnings, and impressions. This overview helps you track growth, analyze trends, and optimize your campaigns for better results. In the Payments section of your Monetag dashboard, you can keep track of all your earnings and view detailed information about your account balance. This section also provides a clear overview of the available payout methods, allowing you to choose the most convenient way to withdraw your funds. By regularly checking the Payments section, you can monitor your revenue, plan your withdrawals, and ensure that your payment information is up to date, helping you manage your earnings efficiently and without delays. In the Referral Program section, you can access your unique referral link to share with others. For every publisher who registers through your link, you'll earn a 5% commission on their earnings. This is a simple and effective way to increase your income by inviting others to join Monetag, while tracking your referrals and commissions directly from your dashboard. Next, let me show you how to place your direct link on your blog, website, or social media platforms. The first step is to copy your direct link from the Monetag dashboard. Once copied, you can easily embed or share it wherever you want to drive traffic and earn revenue. To add your direct link to a blog post, start by finding a relevant keyword or phrase within your content. Highlight the keyword, then use your blog editor's link option to turn it into a clickable link. Paste your direct link into the designated field and save your changes. You can also use the same method to add the direct link to buttons on your post, making them clickable and directing visitors through your monetized smart link. This helps you maximize engagement and earn revenue from your blog traffic. Once you've turned keywords and buttons into clickable links, any visitor who clicks on them will be redirected to the direct link ads you've placed. Each click contributes to your traffic and helps increase your earnings, turning your blog, website, or social media content into a monetization tool. Once you place the direct link into your blog post and publish it, every visitor who interacts with the link, whether by clicking a keyword, button, or any linked element, will be redirected to ads. Each visitor may see different ads, as the content is dynamically served, and the earning rate can vary depending on the visitor's geographic location. This means your monetization is tailored to each visitor, maximizing revenue potential from diverse traffic sources around the world. Next, let's set up your direct link on social media. I'll demonstrate using Facebook, but you can follow the same method on any platform. Start by creating an engaging post that captures attention and insert your Monetag direct link directly into the post. You can also place the link in the comment section to reach more people. Encourage your audience to click the link by highlighting the value or benefit they'll get. When visitors click on your link, they will be redirected to your direct link ads, and you will earn revenue from each visit, turning your social media engagement into a monetization opportunity. If you are active on any social media platform and consistently generate engagement traffic, I strongly encourage you to join Monetag. This platform allows you to monetize your audience, turning your followers, readers, or visitors into a steady stream of income. Every click, visit, or interaction can contribute to your earnings, making your online presence work for you. Even if you are a writer creating articles, blog posts, or other content, Monetag provides an easy way to transform your work into revenue. By strategically placing direct links within your posts, keywords, or buttons, you can start earning from the traffic your content already attracts. Monetag also offers a powerful referral program. Many influencers and content creators are maximizing their income by inviting others to join, earning commissions in addition to their regular earnings. This is an excellent opportunity to grow your revenue further while helping others discover Monetag. No matter what platform you use, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, blogs, or websites, Monetag equips you with simple and effective tools to turn your traffic into real income. The sooner you start, the sooner you can begin monetizing your efforts and unlocking the earning potential of your online presence. Take action today and see your engagement turn into tangible rewards. Once your referral link is created, you can place it in the bio section of your social media profiles to reach a wider audience. For every active publisher who signs up through your link, you will receive a 5% commission on their earnings. This makes it a highly recommended option for influencers and publishers who want to generate additional passive income alongside their regular monetization. One of the reasons many publishers prefer Monetag is because of its strong features, including worldwide ad coverage, clean and safe ads, a supportive publisher community, reliable and on-time payouts, and a variety of payout methods. These benefits make it a trusted platform for turning traffic into consistent earnings. Monetag has received positive feedback from users around the world. Many publishers appreciate its ease of use, consistent performance, and reliable earnings, making it a trusted and popular choice for monetizing traffic globally. These benefits make it a dependable platform for turning your audience into consistent income.